Welcome to our channel. If you want to plan long-term financial goals effectively, follow these step-by-step instructions to build a roadmap for your financial future. Step 1. Identify your long-term financial goals, such as retirement, buying a home, funding children's education, or achieving financial independence within specific time frames. Step 2. Make goals. SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, save $50,000 for a down payment in 5 years, instead of save for a house. Step 3. Prioritize your goals by importance and timeline. Focus on foundational goals like emergency funds and retirement savings before luxury objectives. Step 4. Calculate how much you need to save monthly or annually to reach each goal based on your timeline and expected investment returns. Step 5. Create separate accounts or investment vehicles for each major goal to prevent mixing funds and clearly track progress toward different objectives. Step 6. Develop an investment strategy appropriate for each goal's time horizon. Use conservative investments for short-term goals and growth-oriented investments for long-term goals. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan quarterly or annually to account for life changes, market performance, increased income, or shifting priorities. Step 8. Automate your savings and investments so contributions happen consistently without requiring constant attention or willpower to maintain discipline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.